Welcome back, guys. My name is Handmade. This is part 4 of me making color swatches. I'm trying to make all 132 colors swatches so that I can use it later in the future video. I do love coloring and mixing colors or experimenting colors, so if you guys ever want to do this, one main tip is not to rush it, be patient with it, color evenly, layer by layer, and finally cover it with colorless blender. If you want to make waterproof color swatches, make sure you buy transparent tape or transparent sheet that is sticky and tape it over, and that will make it waterproof. Thank you for watching my video through the end. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please click the like button. See you guys next time. Bye.